We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR release test questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
A store sells bags of potato chips. 1/3 of the bags are barbecue-flavored chips. 3/5 of the bags are cheese-flavored chips. The rest of the bags are plain chips. Which statement is true? Option A. More than half of the bags are plain chips. We need to compare cheese-flavored chips, which is 3/5 of the bags, to plain chips, which is 1/2 of the bags. Since 3/5 is greater than 1/2, options A, B, and C are incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Question number 6. The list shows the numbers of books donated to a library on 14 days. The librarian made this frequency table to show the data. We count how many of the numbers in the list were in each interval in the frequency table. There are 4 numbers in the interval from 0 to 4. The table shows a frequency of only 3. The row showing 0 to 4 books is incomplete, so F is the correct answer. Question number 7. There are 2 hiking trails in a park. Trail Y is 2.7 miles long. Trail Z is 5.84 miles long. What is the total length of these 2 hiking trails? .7 miles plus 5.84 miles equals 8.54 miles. Question number 8. Angle SRT has a measure of 35 degrees. Angle TRV has a measure of 65 degrees. What is the measure in degrees of angle SRV? To find the measure of angle SR, simply add the angle SRT, which is 35, with the angle TRV, which is 65, equals 100 degrees. So J is the correct answer.